So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Hello! Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. For today's video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-convert ng mixed fractions to improper fractions. At kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko about Introduction to Fractions, just click the link in the description below. So, paano naman mag-convert ng mixed fractions to improper fractions? Okay, so una, i-multiply natin yung ating denominator sa ating whole number. And then, we will be adding it sa ating numerator. So, yung sagot will be the numerator at kokopyahin lang natin ulit yung denominator. Pero quick review lang muna tayo. Ano nga ba yung mixed fractions and improper fractions? Ang mixed fraction ay merong whole number at kasunod na proper fractions. For example, we have this 3 and 1/2. So, ito yung whole number. Tapos, ito yung ating proper fraction kasi na mas malaki yung ating denominator kaysa sa ating numerator. While ang improper fractions naman is mas mataas yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Okay, so, for example, we have 3 and 1/2. Okay. So, ang una natin gagawin is mumultiply natin yung ating denominator sa ating whole number. Okay. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Tapos, i-add natin yung answer sa ating numerator. Okay. So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Tapos, kokopyahin lang natin yung denominator, which is 2. So, 3 and 1/2 is equivalent to 7/2. So, next example, we have 1 and 3/5. Okay, so, i-multiply natin yung ating denominator sa ating whole number. Okay, so, and then, i-add naman natin yung sagot sa ating numerator. Okay, so, 5 times 1 is equivalent to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so, ito yung ating magiging numerator and then, kokopyahin lang natin ulit yung denominator. So, we have 1 and 3/5 is equivalent to 8/5. Okay, next example, we have 4 and 3/4. So, para i-convert siya to improper fraction, okay, we have 4, our denominator will be multiplied to our whole number. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, and then, i-add natin yung ating numerator. So, 16 plus 3 is equivalent to 19. So, 19 is our numerator. Tapos, kokopyahin lang natin yung denominator, which is 4. So, 4 and 3/4 is equivalent to 19 over 4. Example, we have 2 and 9 over 14. Okay, so, i-multiply natin yung ating denominator sa ating whole number. So, 14 times 2 is 28. And then, we add the numerator. So, 28 plus 9 is equal to 37. Okay, so, isulat natin yan dito sa ating numerator. At kokopyahin lang natin ulit yung denominator, which is 14. So, 2 and 9 over 14 is equivalent to 37 over 14. Right, and next example, we have 6 and 8 over 11. So, i-multiply ulit natin yung ating denominator sa ating whole number. So, 11 times 6 is 66. And then, i-add natin sa ating numerator. So, 66 plus 8 is equivalent to 74. So, we have 74 sa numerator. And, kokopyahin lang natin ulit yung denominator, which is 11. So, 6 and 8 over 11 is equivalent to 74 over 11. So, for example, we have 4 and 6 over 18. So, in this case, i-convert muna natin yung 6 over 18 sa kanyang lowest form. Okay? So, we have 6 over 18. Lilista natin yung kanyang mga factors. And, hanapin yung GCF or the greatest common factor. So, we have 6. So, that's 1 times 6. 2 times 3. Okay. And then, punta naman tayo sa 18. So, we have 1 times 18. 2 times 9. And 3 times 6. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung kanyang greatest common factor. So, in this case, we have 6. Okay. Divide natin yung 6 and 18 sa 6. So, 6 divided by 6 and 18 divided by 6. So, that is 1 and 3. So, ang simplest form ng 6 over 18 is 1/3. So, lagay natin dito yung 4 and then 1/3. Tapos, ngayon naman, i-convert na natin siya sa improper fraction. So, 3 times 4. Okay, so we have 12 and then plus 1. Yung numerator natin, that will be 13. And then, copyhin lang ulit natin denominator, which is 3. Okay. So, 4 and 6 over 18 is equivalent to 13 over 3. Okay. Next example. So, we have 3 and 8 over 20. So, in this example, ulitin natin, kukunin natin yung GCF ng 8 and 20. Okay, so, i-convert muna natin siya sa kanyang lowest form. So, we have 8 over 20. So, ililista natin yung kanyang mga factors. So, we have 1 times 8, 2 times 4, okay. And then, dito naman sa 20, we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Okay. So, kukunin natin yung kanyang greatest common factor. In this case, that is 4. And, i-divide natin yung 8 and 20 sa 4. So, 8 divided by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, kukopihin lang natin yung whole number dito. So, 3. At, okay, our numerator will be 2. And denominator is 5. So, to convert that to improper fraction, so 5 times 3 is 15. And then, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. At kukopihin lang natin yung denominator, which is 5. So, 3 and 8 over 20 is equivalent to 17 over 5. So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.